Hello everyone and welcome to the Weekly Tech Minute. Let's get started. First up, the Wall Street Journal's Joanna Stern recently featured a cool, yet creepy, yet still really cool pair of techie sunglasses, and not gonna lie, I'd love a pair. According to the Wall Street Journal piece linked below, Ray-Ban and Facebook teamed up to make a camera-equipped pair of $299 sunglasses. This new wearable comes with a host of privacy concerns and implications that we all should really stop and consider. Take a moment to read this piece, if not just for the fact that you want to be on the lookout for these becoming more mainstream and get the heads up before you are unknowingly recorded. Next, according to Aaron Schilling at Atlanta Inno, Atlanta startup Streaming Global raises $8 million to make streaming faster and more reliable. Richard Osterreicher, CEO of Streaming Global, said, "The success of this round during a period with unprecedented global headwinds is a testament to the strength of the Streaming Global business offering and market timing. The company continues to chart a course of aggressive growth through unsteady times. The proceeds of this round are being used to increase in-house capabilities to deliver and support the large opportunities ahead." According to the recent press release, Streaming Global is real-time redefined. It is the first company to rethink how streaming media can go faster and cost less using advances in cloud infrastructure and everyday smart devices. Companies no longer have to depend on outdated client-server models to meet today's consumer appetite for fast media on every device, anytime, at any scale. Streaming Global's patented software-defined agile transport enables a video pipeline to be intelligently and dynamically optimized within your existing environment. Streaming Global didn't invent streaming, but it did improve how it works. Finally, Atlanta-based software company Global Payments Inc. is replacing NCR as Mercedes Benz Stadium's official commerce technology partner. The technology integration will begin in 2022 and is reported to be a long-term deal, according to Eric Jackson at the Atlanta Business Chronicle. Global Payments will bring its expertise in restaurants, food and beverage service management, ticketing, retail, and sports venues to further elevate Mercedes-Benz Stadium's status among the best fan experiences in sports. Global Payments will also join the stadium and the Arthur M. Blank Family Foundation in support of community outreach initiatives, including efforts to transform Westside Atlanta communities. To learn more about this major announcement, please check out the link below. Thank you all so much for watching this week's edition of the Weekly Tech Minute. Stay healthy and safe, and we'll see you next week.